Where are you?
At our usual.
Oh, you meant our other usual. Maybe we should just reschedule.
Or let's find a new usual.
Urban Cruiser. Be bold, be curious.
It is TV powered by World Sports Betting. It is times.co.za. It's Kaizer Chiefs 1, Scotland 0 in the last pre-season friendly match that Chiefs will play, and everyone will play really, because we are now back into full swing of things. I think tomorrow will be the awards. Actually, I think tomorrow will be the PSL awards from last season. It's part of the Silly World Cup, so whoever's going to be player of the season. So but we have to move on to the new season, which will start next week. Kaizer Chiefs, of course, one of the teams that are playing. Paris playing as well. The Sundowns are playing, I think, on Saturday. All of those teams as well. We'll talk about what we saw with Junior in terms of what we saw in the game, some of the players, maybe the new coach as well. Please make sure you are subscribed as well. Junior, thank you very much for joining us, sir. Your thoughts on the game? Yes, sir. Justice.
Benedict Sovila.
Mr. So-and-so?
Ebafethu kunjani, keep on supporting iDiski TV, fighting no one try to fix South African football. Manje ngicela ukubonga Insimbi Magwagwa Sports Tournament in Mpumalanga. Awuthiyama Insimbi likwala presenter. Ngibuya la ngivaye on Wednesday.
Oh, you were there the whole week.
Yeah, we attend
you left
school,
your children.
Yeah, I attend school, speak to kids,
yeah,
doing motivation, changing people's life. Out is doing well, being invited as a special guest there.
Do they have good hotels in Mpumalanga?
Yeah, there's a place top notch.
I was thinking about it.
Those people they've got yazi kunenye into man bengikhuluma nje kancane when I'm there. Abantu bangada, I think they are wealthy. Let me put it that way. Kunabantu that they are so humble there. And mawungabheka banama charter group, they build mansions. And they've got top hotels, honestly, and even nama-guest wabo. So they kunabantu that they are most business people, they understand. And well done to that, and ngibonile supported the tournament kamjita kaMhlusha Stadium, and people came in numbers. Tournament, I think Sambikela Thursday, Friday kwadlala i-top 4 igolo. Sadlala before the final thina yama-teacher nathi. And then the tournament started yesterday. Did very well. Namhla bephela mara ukuthi mina ngibuye namhla ngoba sispan. So well done to Nsimbi and his team.
Nice.
Yeah, I was welcome very nice abantu baseMpumalanga. I'm so humble. Yeah.
Nice one. We saw for the first time Fernando da Cruz. The first thing we noticed ukuthi naye uyazifanele noNabi udinga i-translator bayamtolikela. So hamba semidlalweni, but did you see anything ngayo umqeqeshi so far in terms of what he wants to do in terms of style of play as well?
Yeah, Chiefs ithathe enye indlela man. Why do you have a coach and a translator? Why do you bring the coach and a translator? What if there is emergency like you need to tell somebody something that he has to do now, so you need to go through a translator? It's not gonna work. I mean, the situation Chiefs ekuyo. Chiefs iklaphe enkulu bonile now in spectators, khuluma ngama supporters wabo, they came in numbers with the hope of season is over beautiful, because there's a team first impression it last. Ama fans they came in numbers, and with mhlambe bana this thing ama fans ukuthi we going to push our team to win, and bane hope yokuthi team yabo nayo izobanika the best of brand of football. Asikhulume ngegame yonke. It looked like this guy wants to play build up at the back, ufuna ukudlala team yakhe ufuna idlale. Ngiyambona always ufuna bo Mikel baqala ibhola at the back. And then ibhola lila in the middle field bumabuye badlale na this guy Adolf. Ngibona defensive. Why bring a defensive midfield? I just want to find out why. So Kaizer Chiefs joba ngisho mina when I'm
asking Sergio Busquets.
No, you can't sign defensive midfielders. You've got Mabuye there, you've got Boya.
But you Sergio Busquets.
No, wait. They needed to number 10 or attacking player.
No, but I'm just saying Sergio.
So for me, I don't think it was necessary to bring this guy
because they already have defensive midfielders.
Yeah, Banundlov, Boya Nyati, Banu Mabuye. You can't say they are defensive midfield, natural position about defensive midfield. We understand. So why bring this guy? I don't understand. Una this guy lo omfake manje egcineni lo uthaka in ulo umthetho. The 3 defensive midfielders. So where do you umsub this guy? I mean, you need a playmaker.
I think that's a player kamqeqeshi. The way we can put it is that uyababona bakhona abanye but yena ulo ufuna uyelo Mtasingwa?
Yeah, if
Is there one because mawufika
understand.
unabantu bakho ufuna
Yes,
ubafuna ngiyanibona ukuthi okay maphetha I agree with you ukuthi there's too many defensive midfielders.
Yeah.
Mara yena uthe mina ngifuna lo.
yeah, coach naye mangabwenza kanjalo bekumele assess team yakhe eqala before he can identify and bring that player. I mean, you bring that player, you lose 3 games, 4 games. Do you think they will allow you to start this player? Ngikhuluma nge-technical team. So it's unnecessary. Nemangibheka idlala too safe. Angaboni much. I can't judge the player. Ngiyambona is a guy technical akafuna lose ibhola udlala safe man, smart. He doesn't want to udlala kuma tight space. Asikhulume nje ngegame yonke. Kaizer Chiefs ngibonile coach ifuna ukurela kuma attack than playing with wing backs. You understand ngibonile Velepai, ngibonile Mfundo Vilakazi. Mfundo I think he had beautiful game udlalile Mfundo. Ngifuna ubona more from Mfundo mina. I can't say ngiyazi ukuthi he's got a talent. That one I can't deny. But ngikhala nge-strong character. Always ama player amaningi mina ngwabonile adlalela Chiefs abanokwa hyper. Where it matters most abaveli. Yabo you might see them lama couple afana phela nabo Makhufe Cup.
It's a pre-season.
Pre-seasons wadlalile Makhufe Vodacom ama game njengalawa ama tactics nguzubuza i-question very
Yeah,
good question.
I think that
good question.
yangidla le ndaba yokuthi ama club worldwide indlela abaphatha ngayo ama pre-season
Yeah.
akhupha uthando lomdlalo kubadlali nothando lomdlalo kithi balandeli. The way they approach ama pre-season game, I understand ukuthi at some point kumele uplane lento ozoyenza ngeseason.
Yeah.
But kunamanye ama game ku pre-season ngibabonela Sundowns, Pirates, Chiefs. I even watched them overseas as well. It's too tactical even na ku pre-season. Na izolo ngibuka amajita abopulukwane. I'm like ikuphi le fun ukuba free spirit ngoba nanoma mnidliwe. You're not going to lose anything even if you lose. I am concerned about that.
Football it's a business we understand Kuleko, but don't forget who you ama player ukuthi ba abantu.
Yes.
These are not robots. Now igame njengale namhlanje we wanted to see players expressing themselves. Ama taking players on, playing, turning in defense, creating so many chances. Individual brilliance. We wanted to see that combination play, circulating the ball. Kube nama moment ni create ama chances.
Yeah.
You understand? But now what we saw is more of we saw like they were scared to go ama mistake.
Yeah.
Ngikhuluma ngama player Kaizer Chiefs.
It's like already we are in the Betway Premiership.
Udlala nga 2 defensive midfielders ekutshela as a coach. You don't want to consider, ufuna consider. You've got the back 4 yonke. You understand? And ngibonile udlala ngoSilva. Yes, Mfundo Vilakazi. Njoba ngithi mina ngibonile ufuna this guy uvele by eye on the opposite side. Uvele by. I'm not too sure he stronger foot saka vele by left or right. Ngibonile Mfundo playing on the right. Ngibonile afuna ukachecka ngabo boy2 sharp. It's understandable and uno Silva there. But inkinga team akuna redeem. Mangabe ama team team yakho restrictor match angeke kube ne redeem nodlala ngama moments ile ngiyibonile ngeChiefs igoal labo I think it's a mistake from the defender I misjudge le ball angazi ukuthi beyivikana igoal but well done to Mfundo ubeka amehlo ebholweni continue umfana afike lapha na being composed finishing like last pool. Sure. Well done. I think it's a good goal for Mfana. The confidence on build. From there, I think kunama moments. Njoba ngisho. My players they're scared to make
in
mistakes.
patches because it's not even like create. You're playing in patches.
Just manage the game. You scored 1. Now you're playing at home. Players can manage the game. Point Lamilelo. Manage the game. Ile thing show dlala nga 2 defensive midfielders. They don't even complement each other for me when I look at Mabuya na this guy. Maybe that's why I can't chat the guy manje.
Might take him time.
Yes, ngisafuna ukumbona. Yes, akaluzi ibhola but udlala safe. Akaluzi ibhola why udlala safe. So ngisafuna ukubona match kuma game that are so tight.
Let's talk about the attackers. Sorry, I know you maybe wanted to mention something, but I'm thinking about the attacking option in Chiefs. Ukuthi sibonile Igodaro, Sambono, Silva, Umayo estendini. Are you happy with that? Like, can they carry you with Confed Nagui League? And maybe even win you a trophy, because I think Chiefs fans, they have this expectation. Obviously, I don't think that they think they're going to win the league. Obviously, that's out of the picture. But at least in Jubambi Trophy, Uchai Trophy Liwan, when you look at those attackers, Ikotaro, Silva, there was Lilepo is left, Umayo is injured. Do you not need something more there?
I mean, I'm sorry, it's a sad truth. They are not serious. Those players, later, the Vincente, the coach that win in Spain, the Spanish coach.
Yes.
Bring a Chiefs. I don't think he's going to do well with this. You're talking about the attack that they've been there. Utuba has been there.
Yes, Utuba na, yes.
It's been there. I mean, now Velipai was there last season. This boy, Padman, Bamfang, Masap, and the Chiefs is too big for me. He has good is talented, the boy. But Clarice Kulmang, I'm a player that if you bring a player that is talented, team alone, is surrounding. I'm talking about players that will complement him. So most of the players at Kaizer Chiefs, I'm a player so when he live in last season. So ngikhuluma ngama takers la ukhuluma ngawo. Umuntu beka bakorela kusiplay wow, I'm talking about Dilepo. He had strong character, good technique. Height bemncede as well.
Yeah.
But not a special player ngalendlela ukuthi manje naye he can carry Kaizer Chiefs. But beka bakorela. Now Serino is gone. Oh, yes, I understand Serino was not playing. But here, when you ask me about the attackers, you with me Nabeko Seras.
Not by a short.
No, honestly, because they bind some up, they brought to Utuma, now he came his score down. Second half, I check about Lali of Crown Chiefs. But when I'm a moment first half, second half, well done for the win. Because it lifted team spirit. You know, I'm a supporters when I was in numbers this way. You can't let them go. You win. When the team win. But when you check, they're going to play about 30 games in a row. Premiership, excluding Amanyama Trophy.
There's Confederations Cup.
Yeah, including Ama Trophy, they're going to play so many games. Home and away. Outside the country as well. When you check their attack, can they carry them international now? So when I double check this team, they dominate the pole position, especially after 11, they change the second half Bukama. And knowledge, you can tell experience. And knowledge look lively. A movement of the ball. Just that he was dropping too deep for me watching him. But you are born with it right. Every time you got the ball, decision making. The first touch, dangerous player. Nama runs off the ball. Gure ukuthola abantu abanjenga Bukama playing solo of aborile. Ukama lo Sundowns. No really zero off the ball. Ama player njengalawo uyawanida. Which is bekufuna ama player njengalawo. Exciting. Ngale tournament coach bengamelanga ba restricted. Just the structure coach. So mentioned. You go training. Training when's your pre-season game. At training, you put when I don't get into structure. I'm talking about when you lose the ball.
Yeah, defenders defending,
When you
midfielders
lose
helping.
the ball, you tell your players what to do. But when you attack, you want your players to express themselves so that you can see, have option. I'm a player ngasabi. Now you've got players, you've got Mfundo Villagas that can take players on. But njoba ngisho mina Mfundo ngimbonile kwamagame njengala ngifuna ubona more Mfundo. The boys ngihlale ngisho une talent. Mara ngifuna lo show like u really showed. First season you really showed, second season something else. Gone. So lo mfana unalo talent njoba ngihlale ngisho ngizoyirepeata kaningi it look like i-rustation but iqinisa i-rustation evar the boy was developing in the wrong way but talent unalo so amanye
So all in all, alikho ithemba le trophy.
I mean for me no I can't say they will win one trophy. Yes angithi wonke umuntu une opinion yakhe but mangabe sine fact nje reality eqiniso team beef up njengayo iDurban City nayo beef up ilibonile. I'm not saying Durban City will win a trophy. I know they won something last season.
Nedbank Cup, yeah.
Yes, but nice Kukune days, I saw the beef up. Just that they let go so many players. I understand why letting so many and sign so many players again. Doesn't make sense. Amazon they signed good. They were good last
And
season.
they kept a very good team.
They
Amazon.
kept a good team, and they've signed players. Amanya from Stellenbosch. So it's not gonna be easy. And Sundowns they won Champions League with the same players. I saw now Cassius Maluza came back. It's gonna be Paris. They've Basana Company now Rapo. They brought a couple of players. It's not any they got same team that won the league last season. A competitive Orlando Pirates. So I don't see Kaizer Chiefs winning the trophy. Yes, kuna magame
They will need a miracle from the. I think one of the first opinions Jonga Ben Boogie game, not so in yourself. The first thing I picked up from the two of you is that the Chiefs is still doing the same things in terms of ungabina quality players. Gushuguti manje. Njengoba usho ukuthi even if it's a Spanish coach or winning World Cup, I think the Chiefs management inokurely ukuthi the coach has to perform miracles.
Yazi mfethu nkulu komele sibe realistic man. Sometimes we don't have uthando masin bluff us. Lungasikhohlisa uthando. When you love something fana neskipper ngisithanda ngisibona ukuthi siphume ekhala. Manje akusakhonakali. Okay, mangana impahla mina ngisigcoke. But if I have option, Chiefs got the resources. They can buy players.
Yeah.
Point la million.
Yeah, they have money.
Yabo. So Chiefs is supposed to go to the market, bring players, restructure their development in order for a future ukuthi bangasign players amaningi. Like bayenze inyoko njengaba bo Pirates yenzile nabombokazi angithi they did Pirates nabonkotha ukudla uvune okutshalile and mix with quality sign players at deserve ukudlala lapha. So I see ba continue and bane this thing hope ukuthi ilaki ihlala ikhona but ilaki circulate but ilaki kumita afweni amasikhuluma nje ivara especially in football akunama cut and paste. We saw in football if you do well ilaki kumita afweni. Sometimes you see they've been as we should dominate 8 years. Finally, they never won the league, they won a star. Pirates, they've been good, consistent in playing football. Past 3 seasons in a row, playing, missing chances and stuff, but finally they won the league. So, if our number are not quality and then you want a miracle from the coach, and then it's a mountain to climb. This coach can coach and play. And you bring a translator again. I can't judge to coach lo manje. I've got no right to say. But mangcheka naye mangimlandelela ngithi when they appoint a coach you turn sevenze football go under football fraternity. Ngibona he was assistant in his career in his life yakhe yonke if not mistaken. And now I'm not saying he's not going to do well, but nalento question mark to me. And he needs a translator. Nkululeko mfethu yeah no ziningi iChiefs inomsebenzi eminingi kumele wenze. Well done for them winning Toyota, but if they want to win the trophy I made a cut and paste, and then I can tell you iChiefs iklaphe enkulu nabo they know deep down inside and they can win something once they can do right things.
All right, nice one. Thank you very much, Junior. It was intense, as if the season has already started. But Chiefs, there's so many problems there. Sometimes you can't help but be intense. I love preseason because I just want to see people make mistakes and all of that. But yeah, hey, preseason, you feel them. And like with all these clubs, they are now coaching what they coached during the season. Good preseason, so you don't see the fun in the matches anymore, and that goes for Chiefs and everyone else. Everyone that I've seen so far, even international clubs, nabo they're too tactical. Abakwazi nokuhlahlela intwana na 16 kudlalwe, go and express yourself. So times have changed. But yeah, next week we are back with predictions on Friday and the beginning of the Betway Premiership on Saturday. It is Itiski Times, we're suspecting. Thank you for watching us.
Hola bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.